back at the shop. Just unloaded the truck of what I got from the supply store. Should turn around. Alright, so starting with the paper, I got a little bit of 220, 180, 120, and 80. I ended up buying another block. Like I said, I'm still waiting on my blocks to come in, but just to kind of work with something for now. You see the size difference. Also, I have a small hard block, and then like a sponge block. That's pretty good. Anyways, another thing too is you might see I actually stand the longer blocks up whenever I put them down, because whenever you lay them down after they settle, then it doesn't stay uniform and flat. So when you stand them on the side, it actually keeps that same straightness. I was able to find some aerosol cans of primer, some better ones than the regular store stuff. I bought some guide coat. Also bought some seam sealer, because there's some seams that I need to seal up that need redone. Overall, primer, guide coat, papers, blocks, and sealer is what I went to the store for. So at this point, I'm going to hit the other half, sand it a little bit more, kind of rough it in to shape a bit more, and then after that, I'm going to shoot some primer on top of this, and then after the primer flashes, then I'm gonna shoot the guide coat on top. Once the guide coat kind of settles in, then I'll go ahead and start sanding again. It feels fine going down, but it's once you come across, you still feel like a little high area right here. It's not much, it's just ever so slightly. Alright, so we're back here at the shop, another day. So, little update, I've been out of power here for like going on about 2 weeks. Management hasn't seemed to do anything about it, so that kind of put me on a hold for priming the car. I have everything I need, I have all the materials. I just don't have power to run the compressor or anything to do the roof. But, so I guess to make up for that, yesterday I went to the junkyard with one of my boys, and I was actually able to come across this goodie. This is a grill for the Demon. This thing is pretty straight. It is broke on this other end, and I didn't get the bezels with it. The original one, I still have the latch area and everything else, so I could transfer that over to the other one. You see this one's all broken up. I do have these lights, the marker lights, so I'll be able to switch those over. They are broken, I could see, but if anything, I do have this, the bezel for the headlight. I got the other one, it's broke too. There's more under the trunk that I just haven't looked for. Yeah, pretty happy about it. It's all still pretty good condition. Nothing's broke aside from the ends, but it should be good. Alright, well, this is it. I'll catch y'all on part 3. Make some more progress on this lower area, this quarter, and work our way on.